everyone, so let's get ready for an event. My outfit will be really formal, so we'll do makeup accordingly. So let's start with our face prep and then we'll go to eye makeup. I'll be going with my sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon. This is a sunscreen. I'll take this much on my hand and rub all over my face to hydrate the every corner of my face. Can you see the shine after applying this? I usually go with Boroline because it's really moisturizing for winters and it heals my face. I'll be moisturizing with my lips with a Laneige lip mask. So moving on to eye makeup, I'll be using this eyeshadow from Pigment Play, which has so beautiful nudes and browns. I'll be taking this black and I'll be applying it with my finger. It's so pretty. My smoky eye is done, I guess. First we'll apply it on our eyelids and then we will smudge it on the upper crease line. We'll repeat the same process in our another eyes. Now we'll take a brush and we'll make our eyelids more darker using the same color like this. You see this now? What I did on my eyes. So अब हमें लाइनर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Now what we have to do? We have to apply glitter on this beautiful thing. Golden one. Look. मुझे लगता है ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because I am wearing black, of course. Rose gold. नहीं, sorry. Golden and black looks pretty together. So I'll be applying this. We can go with silver also. I don't know. I'm a bit confused. It's giving the shady effect like golden only. So we have one more option, black, which has shimmer in this. Should I go with this? Oh god, I'm so confused. I think I should go with golden. Go with black because I don't want to ruin this beautiful smoky thing. So I'll be using it again with my fingers just to give a shine on this. We'll take and we'll dab. We'll take and then we will dab. I am not sure if you can see the glitter, but it's looking pretty. So I'm done. I'm just wiping off the dust on under my eyes using this micellar water from Garnier. We'll take it on a tissue. We'll do like this. Spread it on a tissue and then we will wipe it off. Like this. Oh, this is so bad. As we have wiped off our sunscreen as well while removing the excess, we have to reapply our. I'm using this La Roche-Posay ceramide cream. It's very moisturizing in winters because it's very nice. बस बहुत अच्छा है ये तो बस हाँ बहुत अच्छा है मुझे पसंद है. मेरे पास इसके लिए कोई खास तारीफ नहीं है. Done a smoky black makeup, so इसमें black liner भी नहीं जाएगा और black काजल भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. So I'll be applying this brown kajal from Milani Hooked on Espresso, which is so pigmented. Just look, just one glide and look at the color payoff. I'll be applying this on my waterline. As you can see, our eye makeup is still incomplete, even though after applying kajal. What we'll do, we will take a small buffing brush. So we'll taking the shimmery black eyeshadow, take a small amount of this on our brush and then we will apply it under our eyes, like on the waterline, below the waterline basically. Basically we will smudge and spread Now it's looking something more Bollywood style. Repeat this on the other eyes. Just take a brush and just do like this. Let me show you. Just close your eyes like this and just start spreading like you are applying kajal. Brush will take its place. Our next step is curling the lashes, and after that we'll be applying mascara. So let's curl our lashes because इसके बिना तो बहुत ही बेकार लगेंगी आँखें. We'll taking a mascara from, you know what brand I use. Never forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes as well. Sometimes it's really difficult, but yeah, it enhances your eyes more. And with longer mascara, it would be easy. And done with my eyes now. Now we will be applying our blush from Dream Beauty. This is a capsule blush which is really blendable and moisturizing on my cheeks. Blending on with my hands. So we have applied a lighter shade of the blush because we have done really heavy on our eyes. So we'll keep subtle on our face as well as dress and our jewelries. Before moving on to the main accessories, lipstick, we'll change our dress and we'll do our hair. So guys, I have done with my makeup as well as dress as well as hair, but something is still left. I have done my half pony. So I was planning कि मैं इसे थोड़ा सा मतलब thick curl करूँ because ये पीछे से बहुत ज़्यादा messy लग रहे हैं. It's not looking nice. So I'll just take a bunch of my hair and I'll curl it. I'm using this iconic hair curler, and I'll be setting this to 120 degree, and then we will curl our hair. But before curling our hair, I have already applied Bare Anatomy hair serum, which will protect my hair from this heat. Like first we'll take this pony and then we'll curl this. इसको हम ऐसे आगे लाएंगे. हमें सिर्फ अपना थोड़ा सा ही मतलब नीचे का ही पार्ट इसको कर्ल करना है. टेक दिस. आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल इन दिस, बट ठीक है, कर लेती हूँ काम चलाने लायक. बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ल नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं पूरा ही बंच लेके करूँगी कर्ल. एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ल नहीं चाहिए. Look at this, it's looking so wavy. मुझे यही चाहिए था. तो हम अपने बचे हुए बालों को पार्ट करेंगे ऐसे करके. इसको हम पीछे भेजेंगे ऐसे करके. एंड वील टेक दिस. इसमें हम हल्का सा कॉम करेंगे, हल्का हल्का, एंड वील रिपीट द सेम प्रोसेस. आओ, बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ल नहीं चाहिए हमें, तो हम थोड़ा थोड़ा ही करते रहेंगे. वैसे मुझे बता देना मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ तो बस. कैन यू सी दिस? मुझे सिर्फ यही चाहिए, हल्का हल्का. वैसे तो मेरे बाल बहुत बेबी हेयर्स मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा भर गए हैं, टच वुड. आई एम ब्लेस्ड, बट कभी कभी मुझे इन सबसे बहुत इरिटेशन होती है. देखो, मेकअप करना समवेयर इज़ ईजी, बट डूइंग हेयर इज़ अ रियली डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क, बिकॉज हमें किस ड्रेस में क्या हेयर स्टाइल जाएगी नहीं पता होता. एंड हैट्स ऑफ जिनको हेयर स्टाइल्स आती है. मुझे लगता है आई नीड माई मॉक्सी हेयर ब्रश टू सेट माई बेबी हेयर्स, बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहे हैं. सेट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We'll give little bit volume from the top because ये बहुत ज़्यादा चिपका हुआ लग रहा है. Now we'll do with our lipstick. We'll be taking the lip liner from Miss Claire. This is beauty because अगर आपके पास ब्राउन लाइनर नहीं है तो just grab your hands on brown liner, because अगर आपकी वैनिटीज़ में न्यूड्स, ग्लॉस या जो आप लिपस्टिक यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे just because वो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैंड लगती है लिप्स में, this can enhance those and you can use those जिसको आप यूज़ ही नहीं कर रहे हो शायद. बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम। तो हमने अपने लिप्स पे वो लगाया हुआ था लिप मास्क। सो अब हम इसको पूरा वाइप ऑफ नहीं करेंगे, नहीं तो हमारे लिप्स ड्राई हो जाएंगे। व्हाट विल डू, विल जस्ट remove a little bit of it by patting on our lips with our hands, or you can use tissues as well, because मेरे lips है तो मैं अपने हाथ यूज़ कर सकती हूँ। And after that we'll apply the liner. Blurring with our hands. Now our lipstick from Focallure. इसका कुछ तो pronunciation है जो मुझे नहीं आता। Focallure, I don't know. So this in the shade 003. It's pure brown color, very powdery shade. मैंने इसका रिव्यू डाला है अपने इंस्टा पे, इवन दो अपने यूट्यूब पे भी। Now I'll be adding some accessories. These are the rings that I'll be wearing on here and here. I'll be adding this OG watch from Titan. This is my mom's watch, and this bangle. This is also from my mom. We'll be wearing this and this on just one hand, not on the both hands. So ending it with a splash of some beautiful perfume from Victoria's Secret in the fragrance of Bare Vanilla, all over, more and more. इतना लगाऊंगी कि मुझे चींटियाँ उठा ले जाएंगी, because this is really sweet. This is my makeup, this is my jewelry, this is my hair. Done with everything, and I'll be carrying my formal look with the touch of my blazer. So done. I guess I'm looking like a owner of some big company. So I hope you guys like my video. So you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe, you have to share, you have to comment. Like कुछ अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा या अच्छा लगा या कुछ पूछना है about the product, about anything, अगर मुझे पता होगा, I will definitely let you know. So yeah, thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.